Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular JCB over here. So let's continue it. So I have downloaded a reference for its interior also. So if you want to work a bit of its interior, let's go for it. So now very first of all, what I'll be doing over here is I'll go over here. I'll just take a line tool and I'll just connect it with this over here in this way. So I can go into rendering, enabling viewport, and let's make it as rectangular. So I can just slightly shuffle it in this way. So you can click over here, use a refine. So slightly just adjust it in this way. Go over here and slightly give a bit of fillet if required. Enabling viewport. So convert to editable poly. So I'll just shuffle this till here, over here. Okay, now let's again go over here, go to the top view, select this. Again, let's put some loops over here in this way. Or what you can do over here is if you want, I can put one loop over here, I can put one loop over here, select this, push it in this way, select this edge, shuffle it a bit inside, push this over here, again select this, shuffle it till here. Okay. So we can just adjust this stuff in this way as required. So now what I can do over here is if you just open up the reference over here, let's create something. I'll slightly push it a bit down. Shuffle it up. So let's again take a reference. So I'll go over here and let's take a cylinder. I'll activate this auto grid. I'll just reduce its sides over here. I'll just push this up in this way. Increase its sides over here in this way. Slightly just reduce its radius if required. reduce the height segments, convert to editable poly, slightly scale this, now push it down, select the polygons, slightly give inset, again bevel it, again inset it, again bevel it, inset it, bevel it, and bevel. So once you are done with this, you can slightly just scale it up, and we can, I'll just take a line tool over here, okay, of this, in this way. So select this part, enable in viewport, and make this as radial. So select the vertices and okay. Can slightly reduce the size if required. Push this down. So again, let's put one swift loop over here. Select the polygons. Slightly just extrude this R and slightly scale it. Shuffle this. Alright. Now, again go over here. You can create a knob or else convert to poly. Select the polygons. Extrude it. Slightly I'll scale it. Again bevel it. And again just bevel this, bevel it in this way. So we can make your own shape, not a problem. Just select this stuff, okay. Select this, slightly just push it in this way. So select this whole thing, just select this part and slightly rotate it over here in this way, and let's again mirror it, copy it in y-axis, and I'll just place it over here in this way. Alright, so that can be done in this way. Now if you want, we can slightly shuffle this a bit up if required, slightly. Not much, but can be shuffled up. That's totally okay. So just save your file once over here. So we need to just adjust this correctly over here. If you want, you can just make it slightly uneven also. That's totally okay. So I can just go over here into this front view and slightly select this, and we can make it uneven. Okay. Now, after that, again we have a kind of a unit over here. So we can just model this a small unit. So I'll just activate this with the box. I'll just push this up. So now let's just adjust this over here. So I can go into this, I can select this, and I can slightly push this down, and we can generate some details if required. Again, I'll put one more swift loop over here in this way. I can slightly shuffle this down. So I'll just select this edge, push it out in this way. So we can create the display and everything over here if required. So select the polygons, slightly give a bit of inset and slightly shuffle it inside. Now, so we'll be detailing few of the things over here as required. So select this polygons, select this, slightly just bridge this. Again, you can just bridge these elements over here, again over here in this way. Now I'll slightly extrude this unit over here. So I can take a swift loop, or else you can just extrude this unit. So select this polygons over here and slightly extrude it out in this way. So let's give a bit of swift loop, shuffle this, push this down, again put one swift loop over here in this way. Alright. So we can do some details over here. So select this again and let's slightly extrude this, push this a bit down. So scale this, make it straight. Again, take a cylinder, then activate this auto grid if required. So let's just increase the sides, so you can just duplicate it. Even you have the helix, you can utilize that also if required. Anyways, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.